Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You sign in and go straight to Google Security Checkup. Do this now to lock down recovery options and active sessions. Add a recovery phone and an alternate email so Google can verify you later. Once done, enable two-step verification and choose an authenticator app for stronger codes. SMS is acceptable only as a temporary fallback. Make sure to generate and securely store backup codes. Print or save them in your password manager for account recovery. You now audit third-party access and device sessions to stop hidden entry points. Start by reviewing connected apps and revoke permissions for anything you no longer use. This prevents stolen tokens from granting access. Next, sign out of old devices and terminate sessions you don't recognize, and make sure to remove saved account access on shared machines. Then, change to a unique, strong password and store it in a password manager so you avoid reuse across services and reduce compromise risk. You finish by adding the strongest defenses. Register a physical security key and enable it for two-step verification. This blocks phishing and remote code theft. Make sure every device has OS and app updates, an active screen lock, and Find My Device or equivalent so you can remotely wipe if stolen. Once done, verify your backup codes still work. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use your stored backup codes first. If those fail, follow Google's account recovery form and provide accurate, recent details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.